Hello, I am Ananya Kumari, and now we will be discussing the fourth question of internal assignment of data science, which is given in a confusion matrix. We have to find all the matrices and explain the importance of precision and recall over accuracy. So, first, we will have to understand what accuracy is. So, accuracy is the overall correct output divided by the overall correct expected output and the given output. And here let me show you the formula of accuracy, which is this: true positive plus true negative, and true positive divided by true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. And here is the data we were given and answer to the same date. Now, what is precision? So, defining precision, it tells how many predicted positives are actually positive. Here you can see in the formula that how many actual positives are there in the predictive positives. And here the precision for the given data is 0.75. Talking about the recall, sensitivity or true positive rate, it is the actual positive that was correctly identified, which means the actual positive in the correctly identified data, which is here 60%. Talking about the type 1 error, which is also called false positive error, which occurs when a negative instance is incorrectly predicted as positive. Here you can see the type 1 formula for type 1 error is, here you can see the type 1 error is calculated as false positive divided by false positive plus true negative. Talking about the type 2 error, it is the false negative rate in which it occurs when a positive instance is incorrectly predicted as negative. And formula for the same is false negative divided by false negative plus false positive, true positive. Here the answer is 0.40. Talking about the F1 score, it is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. It is useful when data is imbalanced. Here F1 score is calculated by 2 to the 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. This is the formula and this is the answer for the given data, which is 0.666. Now sensitivity is same as recall, its value will be the same, which is 60%. Specific true negative rate, it is calculated, it specifically evaluates how the model identifies actual negatives. So the true negative divided by true negative plus false positive, and the answer is 0.80, and specificity is 80%. Now, why accuracy is important? Why precision and recall is important? Because accuracy is not enough for proper prediction. It when especially when the data set is imbalanced. Now let's take an example in which a model predicts that 95% of the sample is negative. So the model has 95% accuracy but 0% precision and recall. Precision is important where the false positive can be costly. For example, there are records of a patient um, who is healthy, but here he is identified as a sick person. It can be dangerous. And also, what if an important email is labeled as a spam? It can lead to you know dangerous conclusions or consequences. Importance of recall occurs when false negatives are dangerous. For example, in cancer detection, missing a disease is life threatening. In fraud detection, it can fraud transactions are costly, as you know. and if the system miss one, it can lead to harmful consequences. So, keeping in mind all these things, accuracy is not accuracy alone is not enough for proper prediction. Hence, precision and recall are important.